Welcome to My Journey. This video is made for professional users and alongsiders using the My Journey product. Please remember that your version of My Journey may have a different name, but the functionality shared here still applies. In this video, we will be covering ad hoc reporting. Please note that ad hoc reporting is a configurable option and may not be available in your implementation. If you have questions, please reach out to your Perrin Customer Success Consultant or your lead project manager. To begin, let's navigate to My Dashboard. On the sidebar navigation, you will see a menu option labeled Ad Hoc Reports. Click on Ad Hoc Reports to generate the Ad Hoc Reports page. Ad Hoc Reports allows you to configure the report you want to display the information that you need. For this example, we're going to start by identifying the participants that you want to focus on. At the top, it says Participants I'm tracking. In addition, you can look at participants at your location. You can select additional information you'd like to include about your participants. This can be related to a particular focus area. For example, you could generate a report on all the actions on the activity timeline, addresses, agreements on file, assessment scores, emergency contact information, employment status, employment barriers, enrolled classes or courses, referrals, source systems ID, and military service. All the columns at the top of the report are filterable, allowing you to specify certain criteria or qualifications. Here on the side, you have the option to configure which columns are displayed. You can turn off the columns that are not relevant to you, customizing the report to your specific needs. Once you have customized the report to your desired format, click the Copy button. This will save the report for future access. If you refresh the page, you will be able to return to the Ad Hoc Reports and find the report that you created. This feature allows for quick and easy access to your saved reports. In addition to saving reports, there are a few other action items available in the ad hoc reporting. You can create a message group for the specific report you created, allowing you to send a targeted outreach to all the individuals included in a certain report. Furthermore, you can export the report into a CSV or Excel file, which can then be imported into another system if needed. Thank you for using My Journey. Please reach out to us at support@perrin.com if you have any questions, feedback, or suggestions. We appreciate your partnership.